how to see random access memory on your Samsung Galaxy A05S. Today I will show you how to do it. Our first step to do this is from main menu. We must navigate to the settings. In it we look for about phones, about phone system, sorry, it's my bad, the device carry, and there we have our memory. It is checking right now, and now we can see that we used 3.2 gigabytes from 6 gigabytes which we have in our random access memory. We can clean it now from 1 and 4 gigabytes, 1 plus 4 gigabytes, sorry. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.